Maraming nagtuturo ng homemade na luncheon meat, pero tayo gagawa tayo ng ating version na sigurado akong magugustuhan ninyo. Pero ang gagawin ko na extra today, explain ko sa inyo yung science niya. So ito siya, meron tayong pork giniling, 30% taba, 700 grams na lean, laman, at 30% taba. And it's very important, bago ka magsimula gumawa ng inyong luncheon meat, ay properly chilled ito. Never start working with your luncheon meat kung hindi chilled. We are using frog powder or nitrite. Meron akong water dito. This is my water. This is around 1/4 cup of water. At ito yung aking pink salt or frog powder. And I will dissolve. Yan. So this is a salt. This is a curing salt. This is used in all cold cuts. Ham, corned beef, hot dog, any kind of sausage. Yun ang ginagamit niya. And I will also dissolve my salt. So ang salt ko dito ay 2 teaspoons of regular salt, fine salt. Dissolve ko siya dyan. Yan. So that is my base for my cure. Para hindi tayo mag-worry, magkaroon ng negative effects, ang cure niyan ay maglalagay tayo ng vitamin C or ascorbic acid. So ito siya yung ginagamit natin sa vitamins natin. Vitamin C. Tablet lang to or capsule, you just get it. Kung tablet siya, dudurugin mo siya. Stir natin. Salt, frog powder, then vitamin C. This is now safe to use for our meat. Very small percentage. And we will add it to our mixture. Ang mixture natin, again, is cold, ha? And malinis ang kamay. Wash your hands properly. And I will mix it. Malalaman mo pag nagiging okay na yung ating mixture pag medyo nagiging malagkit, no? So we want to activate the protein. May protein kasi yung meat, di ba? So bubuhayin natin yan. So galing sa chop na giniling mo, magkakaroon na siya ng protein strands. Kaya pag sinice mo yung luncheon meat, hindi na siya nabibitak-bitak. Once ma-activate mo na yung proteins niya, the salt and the water will activate the proteins. So my meat is already blended with the curing agents, no? So it's the salt, the pink salt, and the vitamin C. And now I will add my seasoning. Ito, padagdag ng dinamnam, lalagyan ko ng Maggi. So I'm adding 1 pack of Maggi Magic Sarap. We're using nutmeg. This half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Ito yung flavor ng hotdog, kaya magugustuhan ng bata. That's a spice that is very much used in making our popular hotdog. So magugustuhan ng bata tong aroma nito. Nutmeg. And a little bit of sugar. So this is around 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yan. And a little bit of cornstarch. So this 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And very important now is to mix it really thoroughly. And white pepper. Mix everything together. If you have a machine, you can use a machine for this. Pero I will just mix it with my hands. Yan. So you will notice that the texture of our meat will change as you mix it. Yan, no? Now, I will just use a spatula to keep mixing. Ito, gamit ko na dito ang aking spatula. No? Be sure that everything is mixed really properly. You can let this chill for a little while, 1 to 4 hours to cure. And very important, chill siya. So very important yung temperature ng ating paggawa. Pero yung gagawin ko ngayon, I will just wrap it in foil. Meron tayong foil, which we will just assemble. And iro-roll lang natin siya. Kung meron kang lanera or whatever mold, you can use that. Pero ako, ito yung gagawin ko. Kasi gagawin ko siyang bilog. And I will add my meat here. May energy pa kayo, i-mix mo pa siya. The more you mix, the better texture you will have. So parang embutido lang yung effect natin. Looks better, no? Yan, then tuck in. Yan, roll, 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 roll. Yan, and twist sa side. No? Yan. Tight, tight. Yan. So you can rest this and let it cure for at least 4 hours. Or kung nagmamadali ka, pwede mo din siyang i-steam immediately, which we will do now. Eto, kumukulo na yung ating steamer. What we will do, we will turn down the heat and we will steam this slowly for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Hindi natin mamadaliin siya, ha? So, slow steam for around 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the size. And after an hour, we will cool our luncheon meat, we will slice it, we will fry, we will taste, and we will enjoy it. Yan. Abangan nyo yan in a little while. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Marami tayong ginagawang mga recipe which you will truly love, and it's very useful that will make your life simple and happy. And after 1 hour, eto, low heat lang siya, luto na yung ating luncheon meat. At malalaman mo siya, hindi siya naglalangis, oh. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating mixture. So, I will just let this cool down. And ito na yung ating cool down na luncheon meat. Slice na natin. So, ito medyo hot pa siya ng konti. Pero, I will just show you. We will unravel. You know, make it so compact. Pero, in terms of lasa, ang sarap. So, trim natin. I will just trim off the ends. Mas maganda yung sliceability nito pag malamig. Pero ito siya, tikman natin. So, mag-fry muna ako ng eggs. Breakfast. Good morning, guys. Let's fry our egg. And while my eggs are frying, ito siya, chilled na yung ating luncheon meat. So, I will slice it. Alam mo, pag matikman mo to, sobrang sarap nito. Yan, nice, oh. Basta cold siya. Our garlic rice is ready. Ating fried egg on one side. And now, we will fry our homemade luncheon meat. Hot oil. And we will fry. Masasarap pa ito. And our luncheon meat is done. Very nice. Yan. And eto na yung ating homemade luncheon meat. 2 tips to remember. Number 1, while mixing, dapat i-mix mo talaga ng todo para mag-emulsify yung meat. So eto, kulang lang ng mixing yung nagawa ko kasi ginamit ko kamay, no? It takes a bit more time. And number 2, let it chill before slicing. Pero ang recipe na to is already perfect. And I will taste. Masarap to, dear. Promise. Masarap ng recipe na to. Actually, napakamura niyang gawin compared to buying those in the can. Pero, a little bit of effort and this recipe is really delicious. Master mo lang talaga. Mix it properly. If you have a mixer, heavy-duty mixer, mix it with a machine and you will get the perfect texture and chill it before slicing. Ang sarap niya. Okay, mag-almusal na rin kayo and after gumawa na kayo ng homemade luncheon meat at mag-stock na kayo ng marami. So simple to do, so delicious. Ating homemade luncheon meat, simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.